Dear students, now we are going to discuss the new chapter. It's a class 9. In physics. The chapter name is Work and Energy. So in this chapter we are going to discussing fully about work and energy. First of all, we can discussing about the work. So generally, the work, everyone doing some work. Now I'm taking class, that is also work. You are observing, that is also one of the work. Okay, but here generally the work means, for example, let us take one object. Now we can apply the force on the object. After that, it will be displaced from one place to some other place. So now I applied force, so this object displaced from here to here, the same object. So that is generally work, right? So very well, or not, the different types of works are there. So that only I am going to discussing now. So that is types of work. Okay, so three types of works. Generally the three types of works. That first one, that is positive work. Second one, negative work. Then the third one, that is zero work or nil work. Before going to discussing about the types, I'll give some more information about the work. You know that actually the work done is nothing but applied force into displacement. So force into displacement. So this is the general formula. Then this unit is, the force unit is Newton, displacement unit is meter, that is Newton meter, or otherwise we can say the one more unit, Newton meter or joule. Okay, so we can say 1 joule is nothing but that is the amount of work, done. 1 joule is nothing but the amount of work done. 1 joule is nothing but the amount of work done on an object. See that? I will apply some force on the object. If now my applied force is 1 Newton, the displacement is equal to 1 meter, means here the work done is equal to 1 joule. So now I can write as a definition the amount of work done on an object when a force of 1 Newton, displace it. Okay, so while we apply the force on the object is 1 Newton, due to the 1 Newton, that object will be displaced it by 1 meter. So force is 1 Newton, but the displacement is 1 meter. So here the work done is, that is 1 joule. So the amount of work done on an object when when a 1 Newton force applied on the body, then it will be displaced by 1 meter. So the work done by the system is 1 joule. Okay. So now the types of work. Different types of works are there. That one is positive work and zero work, and then the negative work. So please listen. The first one, the positive work. For example, let us take one object. Now I will apply the force on the object in this direction. After that, this object is displaced the same direction of the force. So here the force direction like this, and the displacement direction also the same side. So we can say, as a definition, applied force is parallel to the displacement direction. So this is called as positive work. Positive work definition is applied force is parallel to the displacement direction. So that is known as positive work. Okay, right. Actually, in the higher classes you are going to study in future, that is work done is equal to force into displacement. Okay, so this is F vector, this is D vector. So work done is equal to FD cos theta will come. Okay, so as a formula you should know only F into D, that is enough. Okay, but I will explain in the one more way. This is for a higher standard, 11th standard only, but anyhow now itself just you also know. So work done is equal to, here you know force and displacement in the same direction, so we can say that here the angle is what, 0 degree, because both will be the same direction. So cos 0 is equal to 1, so we can get F into D, that is the answer. That means we can get some work done. This value is positive, that is the meaning. Okay, so that is a positive work. Next one, see that zeroth work. Okay, the same example, let us take one object, but now I can apply the force on the body. இப்படி நான் force apply பண்ணுறேன். ஓகே, அப்போ என்ன ஆகும், ஆக்சுவலாக இதுதான் displacement direction, but I can apply the force normal to the surface of the body. So here the making an angle is what, how much angle is making, 90 degree making. So here the direction, you know the force direction is like this, but the displacement direction actually like this. So here making an angle is 90 degree. So we can say, as a definition, applied force is perpendicular to the displacement direction. That is known as zero work. Okay, right. Say for example, ஒரு சுவர் எடுத்துக்கிற, வால் இருக்கு, நீ என்ன பண்ற, you try to move this wall, you applied a force like this. Okay, but here applied force is true, but displacement is failure one. But as a man we can't do that, as a human we can't do it. Okay, so here that force is what, force is okay, but displacement is not there, so work done is zero, that is zero work done. So we can say that the same idea, work done is equal to FD, here the 90 degree, you know, cos 90 value is 0, so work done is equal to 0, so this is zero work done. So zero work done means applied force is perpendicular to the object, displacement direction, sorry, applied force is perpendicular to the displacement direction, that is zero work. Next one, see that negative work. Negative work, by using the same idea, for example it is the car, for example toy car, something like this. Okay, it is already displaced in this direction, already displaced in the direction, displacing in the direction. Now you are applying some force in opposite direction on the body. Okay, it is like anti-parallel. Okay, so here we can say that the force is, okay, here you know in the first case force and displacement direction is parallel, but here the applied force is opposite to the or anti-parallel to the displacement direction. So this is known as negative work done. Okay, so actually work done is equal to here FD cos theta. Here actually the force is, for example, the force is this direction, but displacement is forward direction. Okay, so here opposite one another. So here making an angle is, we can say theta is equal to 180 degree. So cos theta 180 is equal to -1. So work done is equal to minus F into D. So please listen students, here work equal to force into displacement, positive value, that is positive work done. Positive work done definition is applied force is parallel to the displacement direction. Next, zero work. Here work done is 0. Why? Because applied force is perpendicular to the displacement direction. Next, here I got work done, but it is negative. This is negative work done because applied force is opposite to the displacement direction. Okay, for example, one more example. Suppose let us take one stone, you will throw in upward direction. Okay, so actually the displacement is moving, moving in the upward direction, but the gravitational force acting in downward direction. So this is displacement is upward direction, then gravitational force acting downward direction, gravitational force is acting downward direction. So this is also example for the negative work done. Okay students, so now you know the different types of work.